And then I'll usually leave, there we go. I'll leave this end loose just until I see what I have down here to deal with.
We learned
Sometimes
that.
you have to go up. Yeah.
We learned that the hard way.
The truth of the matter is, when I work with the guys and everybody's working together for the same goal, it's actually really good. They do a phenomenal job. Daren is actually very good at what he does when he's doing it. I also have to admit that he's very good at torturing people when that's what he's doing. And when he's picking at you and needling at you and driving you crazy, pushing your buttons, doing everything he can to crack you, I think the easiest thing for me to do is just to cut the rat loose to chase his cheese. Hopefully it's spoiled by the time he gets to it. I don't care. So I told Daren, you know what? This is your week. You go do whatever it is you want, okay? You do everything. Everything in the show, everything that's happening in this episode. Go torture everybody, run around. I couldn't care less. I got cars to work on. That's what I'm going to go do.
You're going to stay clear out of everything.
I'll stay out of everything. We'll do whatever you want to do.
Okay, where's the duct tape?
Knock yourself out, whatever you want to do.
Put on your mouth. Really, it's all my show?
You better get going on it.
This means I'm the king. It's my week to sit up on the throne here at Graveyard Carz. Do things like I think they should be done, and don't worry about what Mark thinks or what's happened in the past.
Oh, that's a mistake. Everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you. Hit subscribe.